you ever feel like your cat is running the show? And are you tired of your cat bringing home mice? Well, what if I told you that you can take back control? Introducing the Pawly Door, the world's most intelligent cat door that revolutionizes the way you and your furry friend live together. With the Pawly Door, you keep mice, birds, and other kinds of prey where they truly belong, outside. The days of smelly surprises and hunting prey yourself are over. It's easy to install, fits almost every cat, and with the Pawly app, you decide when your cat gets in or out. The Pawly Door's artificial intelligence algorithm detects when your cat tries to bring in prey. The door then remains locked to ensure a clean and safe home. Are strange cats invading your home, feeling a bit too comfortable? Or is your neighbor's cat not the most friendly? The Pawly Door uses chip recognition technology to ensure that only your cat can enter your home. We designed the Pawly Door with standard dimensions, so you can easily upgrade from your traditional cat door without any hassle. For the installation, simply insert the cat door into the opening, tighten the screws, and plug it in. With our sleek and timeless design, it integrates into every home, and cats of many sizes fit through it. Thanks to our high-tech camera, reliable prey detection is possible during day and night. The Pawly app allows you to track your cat's attempts to bring home prey. Want to keep your cat inside because it has to go to the vet? Use the Pawly app. Interested in valuable insights into your cat's behavior? Check the Pawly app. Get notified if other animals try to enter your home and share the funniest moments with your friends. Activate the Lost Cat feature if your loved one has been away for too long. You'll receive notifications when your cat approaches another Pawly Door, and you can easily reach out to the person in charge. Our skilled team of marketing specialists and AI engineers allowed us to develop a cutting-edge product. Together with industry experts, we are now preparing the Pawly Door for mass production. After collecting over 2 million images from over 100 different locations, and after thousands of hours of real-life testing, we have our prototypes finalized and our manufacturers in place. We are ready to take the next step, but we can't do it alone. We need your support. So back us on Kickstarter and turn the Pawly Door into reality.